How to cancel Milestone Credit Card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can cancel Milestone Credit Card. Canceling a Milestone Credit Card is an easy process, but before you begin, you want to ensure that the existing balances on the card are paid off. Now, in order to cancel Milestone Credit Card, you want to call the Lowe's customer support. So as you can see, you have the toll-free customer service number given over here for Milestone. Once you dial the number, you want to explain that you would like to cancel your credit card. Then they will ask you for some information such as your account number and social security number. You want to provide all of those details accurately. Once you provide that, you will receive an email confirming the cancellation. You want to check your credit report after 30 days to ensure that it is not a current account. Upon successful cancellation, you want to destroy your card by cutting it up to prevent it from landing in the hands of unauthorized users. The next thing you can do is write a letter as well. You want to write a letter to Milestone team expressing that you want to cancel your credit card. Provide your credit card number and your contact information in the letter. Send the letter to Genesis FS Card Services, PO Box 447 Beaverton. The address will be given in any Milestone website as well. Now, you want to wait for the response from the Milestone team. In the response, they will confirm the cancellation. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.